Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use our bulk HS code editor as well as declaration values editor as well. So in our portal, you go to products, you go to bulk HS codes. You're going to see here a list of all of your SKUs or products. You're going to see the most important information that's required: country of origin, to country, HS code, and declaration value. Okay, you're going to notice in my example that there's going to be no options when I click on each one. And if you see that, that means we haven't set up your master files yet. So you need to reach out to us and ask us to do so you can then come back in here and fill this information in. But what this tool allows you to do, it allows you to go through in a very easy way and assign all of this information. Now, your country of origin is the country in which your product is made in. Your to country is going to be the USA. Your code is your HS code, so the most applicable harmonization code for this SKU. And then your declaration value. This is the manufacturing cost of your product in US. Strictly manufacturing cost, not shipping cost, okay? So if your manufacturing cost is $4, right, you need to put $4. You might be tempted to put $1. What could happen is the United States government could audit us and you, and they will ask for invoices. And if you provide them an invoice that does not say $1, you're going to be in trouble. So do not fudge this. Use your true manufacturing cost in there as well. They also have the ability here to mass apply information. So if your country of origin is always China, what you'll do is come here and click China and apply it to all. And it will apply China all the way down for you. So it speeds it up a little bit at least. You can also use this switch here, show only products without a HS code. So if that's on, it will only show you products that do not have an HS code attached to it. Okay. You can also view more rows, and also keep in mind it's a multi-page screen, so you do have more pages here. So it's much faster than using our standard products view. If you go into products and you go into edit and you go down to here, you can see how much time that would take and how difficult it is to sort of manage where you're at in this process. So the bulk editing tool will make this painful process quicker. If you have old or inactive SKUs, I do kind of suggest you still assign this information, because you might bring back that SKU. You're going to want to have your information in there. Okay. There will be a point in the future where we won't be able to ship unless this information is in here. Okay. One other thing too, if you currently manufacture this product, say in China, okay, so your country of origin is China, but let's just say you decide to find an alternate source of manufacturing. Let's just say Vietnam. What we're going to ask you to do is you're going to have to create a new SKU for that Vietnam product. So maybe you would call it 43507V for Vietnam, okay? Then you would put country of origin Vietnam, to country US, HS code, and the value. The reason is because you will have because what will happen is there might be two different duty rates based on the country of origin, and we need to be able to track that. So just keep that in mind too in the future if you do decide that. If you have any questions, reach out to support. Thank you very much.